Kado Kavita Mesenlango. Hi, I'm Papon, and I, along with the entire Karbi population, the Karbi people of Assam, want to invite you for the 50th year celebration of the Karbi Youth Festival, which is happening from the 12th to the 19th of January 2024 at the Karbi People's Hall at Taralangsu, Gifu. And you have to come to see this place. You have to come and see the vibe to believe it. You know, there's so much of color, there's so much of vibrance, the weave, the food, the craft, the music, the dance forms. It's just amazing. This is the one of India's oldest and largest ethnic festival. So I hope to see you all there. Be there. I'm also going to be there performing and just sampling the food and the craft and the and the weaves and beautiful culture of the Karbi people. See you all there.